I combined mashed tofu, grated carrot, and grated cheese in a pan, and it tasted incredible. Hi, you're watching Lee's Kitchen, and welcome to my channel. Let's make it. First, let's mash tofu. If you are new to my channel, I will appreciate if you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell button as well for updates. And then grate carrot and cheese. We also need spring onions and 1 onion. Now let's add 2 eggs. Mix well. Take a moment to write in the comments where you are watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on watching our recipe. And now, let's add soy sauce, pepper, add garlic powder. And give it a nice mix. And it's ready to fry. In a pan, put some cooking oil. Using ice cream scoop, get tofu mixture and fry until golden brown. Let the oil drip before transferring to a serving plate. Drain on paper towels. And our recipe is done, and ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe, and see you in the next video. Happy cooking!